Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by clearing the basics so troubleshooting works. Restart the Chromecast and router, and wait about 30 seconds before powering them back on. This flushes caches and drops stuck streams. Next, move the Chromecast at least 2 to 3 feet from other electronics to reduce interference, and make sure your casting device and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi band and subnet. Once done, test a short 1-2 minute cast to check if lag persists before deeper steps. Now optimize the network so packets arrive predictably. If possible, move the Chromecast to a 5 GHz network for less interference and lower latency, but only if walls and distance allow a stable connection. Then open your router settings and enable quality of service, prioritizing your Chromecast or casting device by IP or MAC address to reduce congestion. Also identify and pause heavy downloads or other streams during playback. When those changes are in place, retest a 5-10 minute cast to evaluate improvement. Finish by cleaning software and fallbacks so the hardware can perform. Update Chromecast firmware and the casting app. Outdated firmware often causes buffering and protocol mismatches. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app, then reboot the phone or laptop to ensure new network settings apply. If lag persists despite network and software fixes, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast, reconfigure Wi-Fi, and test again. If problems continue, try casting from a different device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.